Throughout Fusion, subjects are used to categorize students' work and for grading and reporting purposes. It's important to get your subject list right from the start, but you can also go back at any time and edit the subjects. To edit your subject list, log in as admin or admin manager. Go to Manage, scroll down to Lists and Categories and choose Subject Lists. And here's a list of all the subjects in your school. If there's a subject in the list that you no longer use, you can tick that subject and archive it. If you want to bring a subject back from the archive, scroll to the top and Show Archived Items. They'll appear as greyed out, and you can tick those, go to the bottom and unarchive the selected items. To add a new subject to the list, if you go to the very bottom of the list, there's a blank field at the bottom. You put in the name of the subject. You then put in this field next to it. This is the name, all in lowercase, without any spaces. This is an example of what you might do. And you can then assign a colour to that particular subject. And save changes. So that new subject has now been added to my list. There it is. So that's how to manage the list of subjects on your Fusion platform.